Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to do, first of all, thank you all for joining me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. That is awesome, appreciate it. And I'm hoping that I'm finding you all well. Once these puppies start hearing my voice, they start going off. So I think I might have to shut the door. Today I am using some of these gorgeous Boom gel stain paints. I'm going to use some of the pearlescent ones. They've got such a fantastic range. Okay, I'm going to need to shut the door because the pups have heard my voice. Where's those little puppies? See if that helps. All the puppies received their vaccinations and microchipping and vet check today, and all passed with flying colours, I'm pleased to say. So they'll all be going to their new homes next week at 8 weeks old. Okay, this was the test one that I did, maybe a week and a half ago, testing out the different Boom gel stains, and I used the sterling wax white as my base. So I'm just doing another little experiment today. But the thing is, this has dried so shiny, almost don't need to put any kind of top coat on it because it's really shiny and turned out beautiful. So I am very excited to receive my oval. Okay, they are called Mont Premium Cotton Duck High Density Weave Oval canvases. Heavy duty, lightweight, Mont. Yeah, so I thought, what nicer to do a kind of bloom on an oval canvas. So, but I'm not sure if I actually want to do the bloom. I think I want to do like a pseudo swiping it. So excited about that. They've got these on the Capriole Shabby Chic. I bought, they can be bought on there. They can be bought by the box load and delivered to you. If you're overseas or anywhere, I'm pretty sure you can get these kind of canvases off Amazon. So from Mont. But I know somebody has told me this week that at Hobby Lobby in the USA, they lived in Carolina, they said that Hobby Lobby has now started to stock Mont paints. So I presume then all the other stuff that I use, if it's in Hobby Lobby in Carolina, it should be everywhere in the US. Okay, great. Okay, let's get doing. The only thing I'm going to change with this barking dogs is I mixed up my Mont white and I added, where has it gone? Just had to get it out. The acrylic medium gloss to the Mont white. So I just testing if I'm doing bigger amounts of this, because if I'm just using this as my base, this 250ml doesn't last very long. So if I can get it all to work with my Mont, I'm going to go and chase that dog away. He's very naughty. Benson, naughty. Yep, he takes every word from me and does exactly as he likes. No, not normally. Pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to cover my canvas in this. As I said, I want to do a swipe, so my consistency doesn't have to be so thick. I have to just pop outside and okay. So, I think I need a bit more paint than that, don't I? So, like I said, it's going to be kind of a pseudo swipe. Kind of thinking I would love to have put some gold into that white to just send it like a beigey glistening white, but I've done it now. So, and I haven't used that gloss pouring medium with the boom gel, so it's a test, mixing it up. But aren't those a lovely shape canvas? Love them. All right, so I'm going to use the boom gel. Is kind of made to do a nice lacing or bloom effect, and it's all pre-made, so you don't have to think about it or do anything. You can use it directly from the bottle. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'll give it a real good shake because it's very highly pigmented, and you only need a small amount of it to count. So that is the metallic silver. I am using the pearlescent blue. I'm just giving it a real good shake, and I've got a bit of tape on it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's just spat it out at me. Today's not a good day. I have got paint burped at me, tipped on me, spat at me. It's just, yeah, I'm not having a good day with the paints today. Love those colours already. Pearlescent dark blue. I'm going to put some pearlescent teal in it. These lovely colours. Oh, this is going to be another one that's going to spit at me. Start at that end with this one. Lovely. Wowzers trousers. Okay, I'm going to go the pearlescent mauve. A real good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Put this on both sides. Lovely. And then I think I will put my native violet purple. Give it a real good shake. I might just do this there. There. Then I have some that I pre-made up in these little containers. So that is the copper. Choose that one. Copper metallic. I'll put it in there. Not sure if I want to do that or with the black. I'm not sure. I'll put the copper in there with a bit of the boom. Where's my boom booster? Boom booster. So I presume this is silicone, but I only put it in this one colour. So let's see how I go with this. Okie doke. Right, yo. Now I've got some small bits of card and plastic. I might try the plastic first to do my swiping. So this is just soft plastic file divider that really good to use for swiping. So I'm gonna swipe it. Wowzers trousers. Put a bit of that. Let's take it nice and slow. Enjoy it. And so I'm trying to do something that's minimalistic, and if you know me, you know that that's just not me, because it's like all or nothing. But kind of really wish that I'd started with a bit darker background than the white, but that's all right. I can save it for another day, can't I? Oh yes, gorgeous. It's strange, well, it's not strange, but these very minimalistic paints with sort of on-trend colours in sell very easy, and especially if you do them on a big canvas. They do in Australia here at the beach anyway. Something like that with those gorgeous metallics in it shining away, which I would like to do on a great big round. So I'm leaving that exactly as it is because I love it. It is absolutely glistening. Just getting my heat gun to burst the bubbles. Any air bubbles. Beautiful. Beautiful, love it. Not sure whether I should tilt it or leave it. No, I'm not, because I did the paints thinner. I mean the base paint, so it doesn't really need. Just trying to think if I'd like a little bit of that dark native violet, a little bit more, because I like how it makes it pop. So I might put a little tiny bit more through here, and I hope that I don't stuff it up. And a little bit, oh, I've done a blob. Doesn't matter, can fix it. Nothing that can't be fixed, and if it can't, you just swipe it. All right, a bit more into the blue. That's all good. And go back to the bit with the boom booster, and it's just got the boom booster in this copper. Beautiful. And get my little swipey tool. Where's it gone? These are great because being soft plastic, you can just keep wiping them off as you go. I think I'd like a thinner piece on that. Let's try this. Oh, look how rich those colours are. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. That's a stunner. I think I'm going to leave it exactly as it is. Just give it a bit of heat. I will let you see it when it's nice and dry and how sheeny shiny, because these are pearlescents. These particular ones I've used today are mostly all pearlescents except the native violet. So they will dry as the other one did. I don't want to put the other one dried. It's got a real sheen on it and I haven't done anything to it yet. So this is the effect that you can get from the boom gel paints by just using, I just used the mini blower to blow them out, and they all went into this lovely lacing and bloom effect, but without any trying to use 10 or 20 different types of products in there. So they are gorgeous paints, and you only need to use a small amount of them to make a difference, and I absolutely love that. It's minimalistic, it's a lovely shape, Beautiful. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please do so. It's absolutely free. Until next time, take care. Make sure you stay connected with somebody that makes you feel wanted and needed. There's plenty of people out there. We all need each other at the moment. So yeah, my message to you, stay connected. Bye for now.